Welcome to my new workshop here in Central Oregon. It was a big move from Florida, and as you can see, I haven't fully unpacked everything. In this video, I'm going to show you how I put up the lights in this place. I had great lighting in Florida, but when I moved into this place, I had 2 fluorescent lights. That was it, and it was really dim in here. All right, so welcome to my new garage. Right now, I don't have any of my gear here because it's all on a pod, but as you can see, it's a pretty empty space. Right now, there's only 2 lights up there. I'm swapping out these 2 fixtures for 9 4-foot LED fixtures. So the old shop had 4 fluorescent fixtures, each which had 4 30-watt bulbs. This shop had 2 fluorescent fixtures, each of which had 2 bulbs. And this shop is about 30% bigger than the old one. What I did is I turned to Facebook and asked my Facebook friends for some advice, and a big shout out to Alfred Poor, who told me about the LED lights that I'm using here. He said that he put them in, gave me an idea of what he had done with them. And I did a little math and I realized that 9 or 10 of them would serve me just right. So that's what I've got in here. I've got 10 of these fluorescent fixtures arranged in the garage, and it's great. I've now done a couple of videos and it's exactly what I needed. So if you're doing something like this, the bulbs cost a couple $100. The electricians were more because they had to go up there and crawl in the ceiling. If you do it yourself, you can probably save some bucks, but overall, I have a fully working and workable room. It's a little colder here than it was in Florida, but that's actually kind of nice because when you start working, you kind of get kind of warm. So there you go. I'm David Gewirtz, and I hope you've had a good time learning about my workshop lighting. I will be back with more discussions on all sorts of DIY IT related things, as well as souping up my workshop. Have a great day and go forth and build something great.